Today, more than ever, it's hard to know where the products you buy come from. Companies will have other companies make their goods, or they'll send the production offshore to other companies, or they'll just license the name to somebody else and figure you, the consumer, are none the wiser. Hi, my name's Bob Hague with Hague Quality Water International, maker of the Hague WaterMax. And with us it's pretty simple. We've invented the WaterMax, we hold patents, we manufacture it at our plant in Ohio, as we have for over 40 years. If you've got a few minutes, I'd like to show you our factory, and more importantly, the skilled Americans who make our products. So thanks for your time and enjoy the tour.
This Angle all-electric 110-ton injection molding press is the latest development in injection molding technology. It is the most recent addition of several injection molding machines owned and operated by Hague Quality Water International. The arrival of this machine illustrates Hague's commitment to the advanced design and manufacturing of the most reliable and environmentally friendly domestic water treatment system in the world, the WaterMax. It is the superior design of the WaterMax that drives the need for state-of-the-art manufacturing processes like electronic injection molding, laser welding, and advanced robotics. 25 years ago, nearly halfway through the company's history, Hague Quality Water sought to capitalize on the lower salt usage, less rinse water requirements, and faster kinetics offered by fine mesh ion exchange resin. Hague organized a team of engineers who started from scratch, literally with a blank piece of paper, to create the WaterMax, a water treatment system that has remained far ahead of the competition for nearly a quarter of a century. The WaterMax innovative concept of a multi-compartment tank, a tank that offers flexibility in media configuration, includes a self-cleaning sediment filtration system, requiring manufacturing techniques that did not exist in the water treatment industry. Hague pursued cutting-edge technology operating in various industries worldwide, technologies that could be adapted and applied to the manufacturing requirements demanded by the advanced specifications of the WaterMax. One of the key design components of the WaterMax are these patented directional flow screens. The directional flow screens are essential to providing a constant laminar flow in every part of the WaterMax media tank, allowing for a maximum use of a vacuum-packed bed of fine mesh ion exchange resin. One issue Hague faced in the evolution of the WaterMax was the inability of a fiberglass spun tank to hold the directional flow screen in place. Hague looked towards the injection molding industry to answer the question of how to build a media tank up to the task. Injection molding is one of the most common methods of shaping plastic resins. In the case of the WaterMax media tank, a special glass-filled polypropylene is used. Resin pellets are plasticized and injected into the mold, held in place until cooled, where it has formed a tank with 7/16" walls, 3.5 times the thickness of a conventional water softener tank. Various combinations of resin compounds are used for a variety of parts. Hague has approximately 150 separate molds, not only for the media tank, but for many other parts such as the brine valve assemblies, injector assemblies, and cabinet assemblies. Once hand-screwed into place, and then by robotics, the directional flow screens are now fused to the media tank by this through-transmission infrared laser welder. Working under the corporate directive of "Don't worry about cost, focus on what works," Hague engineers continue to research ways for improvement in the efficiency and reliability of the WaterMax. The superiority of the WaterMax is evident by the simplicity of its valve. Quality control is a state of mind for all employees at Hague. Careful inspection of all components take place at every workstation. These two automated WaterMax testing stations are proof of Hague's commitment to providing the consumer with the highest quality product possible. The WaterMax has to completely pass all tests before it leaves the testing station. Every unit produced at Hague is tested before leaving the facility, a process unmatched by any other manufacturer in the industry. The WaterMax is manufactured in the United States by Hague Quality Water International, an American company founded by William R. Hague nearly 5 decades ago. The WaterMax, the perfect product for our planet, providing the perfect water for your home, the perfect water for you.